Big circle daw.
Forming a big circle with your imagination. I post the music, you must find your partners. Let's clear class.
Yes, teacher.
And the smallest one will the one who answers the questions. Now, this is hard. Turn around the class. Okay, do you have your partner?
Yes, teacher.
Now, the tallest one will be the discussant and the smallest one will be the listener. Now, I will going to give you a sentence and all you have to do is to discuss it with your partner. Here are the sentences. One sunshine on a rainy day.
What's was a zoo during free time? He is a walking dictionary. My brother is a tornado in place. The moon is a silver balloon in the sky.
Now, class, what have you observed on the sentences that I given to you? Yes, Ria.
Teacher, we discussed that based on the sentences that you've given to us, it was just like comparing two things, teacher.
Yes, the sentences that I given to you are comparing two things. Now, can you read the sentence number 1?
Her smile was
Rosalie.
Teacher,
Can you read the sentence number 1?
her smile was sunshine and rainy day.
And sentence number 1, Rosalie, does it have us or like or not?
None, teacher.
None. So it is an example of
Metaphor.
What's number?
yes. And sentence number 1, Rodeline, what are the two things being compared?
Her smile and the sunshine.
Yes, the two things are being compared are the smile and the sunshine. Now, in the sentence number 2, can you read everyone?
The classroom was a zoo during free time.
Does it have a like and us or none?
None, teacher.
So, it is an simile or not?
None, teacher.
Now, what are the two things being compared?
Teacher.
Yes, Gracie.
Teacher, the classroom and the zoo.
Yes, and the sentence number 2, the two things being compared are the classroom and a zoo. Now, in sentence number 3, can you read Rian?
He is a walking
Rian.
I am Rian.
Sorry.
He is a walking dictionary.
Now, what are the two things compared in sentence number 3, Rian?
He and the dictionary, teacher.
Yes, the two things being compared in sentence number 3 are he and the dictionary. Now, for the sentence number 4, can you read Maricar?
My brother is a tornado in he plays.
Does it have a like on as Maricar?
No, teacher.
It is a simile or not?
It is not a simile, teacher.
It's not a simile. Now, what are the two things being compared in the sentence?
Brother and tornado.
Yes, the two things being compared in the sentence are brother and tornado. Now, for the last number, everybody please read.
The moon is a silver
is for us to know what we're going to learn. Please read everyone.
At the end of the lesson, learners are expected to determine how metaphor is used in the statement, construct a sentence using the figure of speech metaphor, and value the importance of the moral of the story, which is helping together through answering the given question.
Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher!
Now you want to read the story, class?
Yes, teacher!
But before that, let's have first the activity. We are going to unlock those words that you may encounter on the story. All you have to do is to choose the letter of the first answer. And if you want to answer, just raise your right hand. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher!
Now, question number 1. Please read everyone.
What does the word velvet mean in the sentence? Night came as a velvet curtain.
Yes, Maricar.
I think it's learned.
Let us see if Maricar is correct. Yes, Maricar is right. A velvet means a soft and a smooth fabric. It is a type of fabric that feels very soft and smooth, used here to describe how gently the night covers the town. Now for the question number 2, please read everyone.
What does the word whispering mean in the sentence? The wind was a whispering storyteller.
Yes, Julian. Letter B, teacher. Let us see if Julian is correct. Yes, Julian is correct. The whisper means speaking in a soft voice. Whispering is speaking softly, which shows how quietly the wind moves and tells stories. Now in number 3, please read everyone.
What does the word liquid mean in the sentence? Water from the springs was liquid crystal.
Yes, Juju.
I think it's letter C, teacher. Something that flows like water.
Now let's find out who is correct. Yes, liquid means something that looks like a water. Now, number 4, please read everyone.
What does the word guarding mean in the sentence? Houses stood like golden soldiers guarding secrets of the past.
Who wants to answer?
Listening teacher.
Teacher.
Yes, Marites.
Letter C teacher, protecting something.
Is it? Let's find out. Yes, Marites answered. Guarding means to protect or keep something safe. Now for last number, please read everyone.
What does the word adventures mean in the sentence? The new roads were gray rivers, guiding feet to new adventures.
Yes, Judeline.
Letter B teacher,
Now let's find out if Judeline is correct. Yes, Judeline is adventures are fun, new experiences that are often exciting or full of this discovery. Excellent class. It seems like you are ready to listen to our story. Now, what will you do when I read the story?
Listen, my teacher.
Very good. Now let's listen.
Bangimun.
The title of our story is The New Tubigon of Agusan. Now I will read first, then will follow. The New Tubigon of Agusan del Sur. Tubigon was a sleeping painting hidden behind green curtains of trees. Its rivers dancing through the forest, and the sun was a golden one, bringing out the sleepy land. People who live there work together to make a difference of their community. Please raise everyone.
Tubigon was a sleeping rainbow, hidden behind green curtains of trees. Its rivers were silver snakes, dancing through the forest. The sun was a golden drummer, waking up the sleepy land. People who live there work together to make a difference of their community. Houses stood was a wooden soldier, guarding
Houses stood as a wooden shoulder. Soldiers guarding cities out in the past. The wind was a whispering storyteller, carrying news from the mountains. Children were butterflies, holding fruit of laughter. Children.
Houses stood was a wooden soldier, guarding secrets of the past. The wind was a whispering storyteller, carrying news from mountain to sea. Children were butterflies, floating through fields of laughter.
Farmers were sun chasers, planting dreams in brown blankets of earth. Water from the springs was liquid crystal, feeding the thirst of the heart. The new roads were gray rivers, guiding feet to the new adventures. Please remember.
Farmers were sun chasers, planting dreams in brown blankets of earth. Water from the springs was liquid crystal, feeding the thirst of hearts. The new roads were great rivers, guiding feet to new adventures.
Tubigon Market is a colorful bunch, blooming with smiles and voices. Each face is a shining sun, full of hope and story. Night came as a velvet curtain, covering the village with stars. But Tubigon, once shy, was now a city dark with cloud and light. Please read everyone.
Tubigon Market is a colorful garden, blooming with smiles and voices. Each face is a shining point, full of hope and stories. Night came as a velvet curtain, covering the village with stars. But Tubigon was shy, was now a shining heart, loud with light.
Do you understand our story, class?
Yes, teacher!
Now, for me to know if you really understand it, with the story that we read, I have here a few questions. What changes happened in Tubigon according to the story? Yes, Rian?
From the story teacher, the Tubigon was a sleeping town and it was hidden behind the green curtains of trees. Then the changes happened. It is become developed. It's because of market. The market is become colorful garden blooming with smiles and voices.
Yes, you're right. Now for the question number 2. How did the people in Tubigon feel about the changes in their town? Yes, Raymond.
They were happy teachers.
Yes, they were happy. Now, what do you think Tubigon was like before it became new? Raise Rian again.
I think teacher Tubigon was like a. There are the village before is not developed well. Now the new Tubigon is more developed because of the new roads that are being built.
Yes, Rian is right. Now, do you think the changes in Tubigon were good for the people? Yes, Marimar. And why?
Yes, teacher, the changes in physical format for the people, teacher, um, because of the changes, teacher, they experience more,
Very good, Maricar. Now for the last question. What do you think is the moral of the story that we have read? Okay. Another hand. Another hand. Yes. Yes, Gracie. Okay, go to.
For me, teacher, the moral of this story is when you help each other, your community will be developed.
Yes, very good plan. Now that you've listened to the story of the little video from our sentence work, did you notice something special about the way the town was described?
Yes, teacher. Maybe there's compared means of things.
Now let's find some out those special words. Those are examples of metaphor. Metaphor class is another type of figure of speech, which is a way of comparing two things without using like or as. It is something else. Even though it isn't really to make a strong picture or an idea in your mind. Now, from the story that we have read earlier, the story contains of metaphor. Here are some examples. It refers were silver snakes dancing through the forest. Now, in this sentence class, what are the two things being compared?
Teacher,
Yes, Marites.
the two things that are sentence to compared are the rivers and the silver snakes.
Yes. In this sentence, the two things being compared are the rivers and the silver snakes. Another example. The sun was a golden drum, reaching up the sleepy land. What are the two things being compared?
Teacher,
Yes, Budu.
the two things not being compared in that example are the sun and the golden drum.
Yes, the two things are being compared to the sentence of the sun and the drummer. It suggests that the sun is bright and loud or energetic. For next example, children were butterflies floating through clouds of lavender. What are the two things being compared? Yes, Maricar.
The children and the butterflies which were
Yes, the two things being compared are the children and the butterflies. Now, we're going to have a activity. All you have to do is to underline the metaphoric sentence used in the story. Now, if you want to answer, just come and from. Yes, Juliana. Maricar. Yes, Juliana. Yes, baby.
Teacher, ako. Oh, isa na ganun. Teacher.
Say the ano, say the pag-give examples daw, sabi ni teacher. Yes, Grace.
Teacher.
Aside from the
Aside from
first,
that,
Farmers Massachusetts.
teacher, what are
now in the second paragraph, let's read the first sentence. Read everyone.
How stood was a wooden soldier, guard our secrets of the past.
Now, what are the two things being compared in the sentence?
Teacher,
compared is the houses and the wooden soldier.
Yes. The two things being compared in the sentence are the houses and the wooden soldier.
Teacher, there are another example.
Now in paragraph of number 3, kindly read everyone.
Farmers were sun chasers, planting dreams in brown blankets of earth.
Now in this sentence, what are the two things being compared? Yes, Marito.
The two things that are being compared against native teacher are farmers and sun chasers.
Yes, very good, Marcus. The two things that being compared in this sentence are the farmers and the sun chasers. Sun chasers. For the next sentence, read everyone.
Water from the springs was liquid crystal, feeding the thirst of stars.
Now, what are the two things being compared in the sentence? Yes, Guru.
The two things that we compared in that sentence are the water and the liquid crystal.
Yes, you're right. The two things being compared to the sentence is the water and the liquid crystals.
Cut. Okay, thank you,